welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today I've come up with a very essential information which has come up from Ayush Ministry to have this immunity boost drink every day for your family. So I wanted to show you in my family how do I prepare this Ayush Kwath which has come up from this Ayush Ministry. So this Ayush Ministry is nothing but Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. So this ministry has sent all the people that to use this decoction every day for your family members. Without much delay, I'll show you there are 2 steps to do it. So I shall show you the ingredients at the later stage. Here I have taken basil leaves or the Tulsi leaves, which everybody knows. It's a homegrown Tulsi. So I've taken few leaves from it and kept aside. Let's just wash it. I am showing here how to prepare this dry powder of this Tulsi leaf. So just wash this and take this and take a tissue or a kitchen towel and just spread this way. We need to dry this, not sun dry it, but we need to dry it at home for 2 days this way. Just spread the leaves evenly like this way and keep it in room temperature for 2 days. And keep it shown. And just leave this like this for 2 days. Hello, so we are here back again after 3 days. This is our Tulsi which we had kept it for drying in the room temperature. So see, this is after 3 days. We can see the Tulsis have become very well dried. It is not sun dried, it is just kept in the room temperature. So we have this Tulsi 4 parts as per the recipe of Ayush Kwath. What the ministry is saying, Ayush ministry is saying is we need 4 parts of Tulsi leaves, 2 parts of cinnamon, that is the dalchini, then 2 parts of sont is the dry ginger. This is 2 parts. This is 1 part of pepper. So what we need, 4:2:2:1. And for sweetening, they are suggesting you can use either jaggery, honey or raisins, or you can have some lime juice also for sweetening. So what I am going to do is, I'll just show you to make these powder and keep it. Okay, let's keep the Tulsi leaves into a small mixie jar. We'll put the dalchini, that is the cinnamon, the sont. We'll make powder of everything and store it. Everything is dry ingredients, so let us store it. Jaggery will put it in our decoction later for just sweetening. What they are suggesting is, they are planning to come up with sachets, tea sachets kind of thing for this herb. So what I thought is, as I have received this recipe from the ministry, I will just make this powder and keep it in an airtight container and make for my family whenever required. Yes, so our powder is ready. See, this dry powder, we can store it in a airtight container and keep it. Now what we do, we take 150 ml of water and allow it to boil well. Yeah, so the water has started boiling. So as per the recipe, it is in 150 ml of boiling water, we need to add 3 grams of this powder. So 3 grams is little more than half teaspoon. So this is half teaspoon. We put half teaspoon and little more than half teaspoon. Yes. So 3 grams of this nice herbal powder has gone in it. Nice aroma. Everything is so fresh. nice aroma. It will give you good immunity as per Ayush Ministry. This is the decoction. You can make it for your family 1 or 2 times in a day to boost your immunity. So they will be coming with sachets, like tea sachets. They will be coming soon, so that you can buy it instantly. Before it comes, you can make it at your home. That's why I'm showing. You can make it, this decoction, nicely at home, and it will reduce from 150 ml. Let it reduce to 100 ml, so that you can drink this very useful and healthy, nutritious immunity boost decoction. To it, now what I am going to do, at the time of this boiling itself, I add my jaggery piece. So this will melt along with it. I think this much is not required for this. Just break it. Yeah, this much sweet is enough. And we add this jaggery to it and give a nice stir. Yes. So everybody must try this. This is a very good immunity boost recipe. Just make this powder and store it in the airtight container and put a 0.6 teaspoon, like little more than half teaspoon to 150 ml, and have 1 or 2 times daily. Very important, because these days the cases are increasing. It's just not reducing. So let us stay at home and make these kind of decoctions. Make it for your family, for kids, everyone, and let them have it. So here we go. After this, we just close this lid and keep, so that all the herbs infuse into the water and give the maximum benefit. So let us keep it this way and off the gas. That's it. So we will allow it to remain in this way for 2 minutes. Let's check the decoction. Ayush Kwath. It's so nice aroma, and seems to be so healthy. So it's all the ingredients available at home. Let us strain it into the glass and drink it warm. See, this is like a nice kada. Yeah, this is the remaining. So my Ayush Kwath is ready. All must try and do let me know how you find it. You can also Google it and check the recipe I just showed you, so that I can contribute whatever knowledge I got from the Ministry of Ayush Kwath. Ayush Ministry. So definitely all must have it, and in my description box I have written everything, the ingredients, it's in the ratio 4:2:2:1. So all must try, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you are not subscribed, and press the bell icon for more new updated information. Thank you for watching. Bye bye from Preeti.